Hi all, my name is Yasmin and I've been teaching for close to 20 years. I've taught elementary and high school courses, but here at Cambridge I teach mostly English and business courses. Literature is my passion. I love all genres of literature and I'm especially passionate about teaching reading and writing. I love to see the joy of understanding that comes on a student's face as they make connections between the text and the world around them. Reading and writing should not seem like a chore, but for many students, that's exactly what it feels like. The Ministry of Education requires 4 years of English credits for graduation. So, of course, English is seen by many students as a means to the end. I think it's important in my role as an educator to inspire students to see how reading and writing is more than just something they have to do to graduate. Kids are on social media 24/7 these days, and I think it's important to recognize that some of this is their escape. As an English teacher, I want to inspire students to sometimes choose to escape into a good book. While I may teach a lot of classic literature in my classes, I use technology in instruction and assessment. I use slide deck presentations, video clips from YouTube, podcasts, and even Twitter to help students feel a connection between the world they live in and the world of literature. More importantly, I encourage students to look at classical texts with a critical eye. Is there anything in the language of this book that can be construed as offensive today? Is the depiction of women or a certain race or class of people based on negative stereotypes? Do these stereotypes still exist today? I give students license to debate the relative merits of the literature we read and encourage them to see the beauty in the writer's craft while at the same time questioning the writer's tone or perspective. In the final analysis, I want students to know that reading and writing is something that you critically engage in. Once they have this mindset that everything can be challenged and deconstructed, they will be better equipped to handle higher level thinking tasks that are presented to them in any course of study that they decide to pursue.